Hello Polygon Matic holders, how are you? Hope you have a good day my friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the Polygon Matic. You know what my friends, a lot of people ask me questions about Polygon Matic, that what's the perfect time to buy, sell or hold Polygon Matic. So in this video I will show you my friends. Keep watch this video till the end, and remember my friends, remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. Now the currently latest price of the Polygon Matic is 1.51 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the Polygon Matic. On the other side, if you look the price changes of the Polygon Matic, so from this price changes, everything is clear for my friends. That the last 1 hour, last 1 week, 1 day price change is negative. Only the previous one week price change is positive my friends. The previous change is completely going loss my friends. Let me show you my friends the price chart of the chain link. Sorry, Polygon Matic. You can see here my friends, the current situation is also going bad. Completely fast down occurs in the Polygon Matic my friends. So now you can see here that the price change is negative. So the price change is negative, that means that you are in the loss my friends. So for profit my friends, you have to hold. If you hold, you will get profit, and if you don't decide to hold, so absolutely you will get a loss my friends. That is why I recommend for everyone to, it's a perfect time to hold, not to sell my friends. Remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research my friends. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video my friends.